Hello guys! Ayan, nagluluto na naman tayo ng sinangag na kanin. Ito yung aming lunch for today. Ayan yung aking fried rice. Yummy, yummy yan. Sarap yan. Daming makarni guys. Parang sa chowking po yan guys na fried rice. Ay, joke. Ayan, oh. Sarap-sarap niyan, oh. Oh, di ba? So, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. God bless. Bye. Let's eat. Let's eat fried rice. Ayan. So, ayan na ang ating fried rice. Ang sarap-sarap. Okay. Ayan, kakain na tayo guys. Let's eat, let's eat, let's eat. Mayroon pa yung itlog. Lagyan ko pa yan ng chiling yellow at red at green. Ayan, pang paganda. Tsaka giniling. At mayroon siyang adobong baboy na tira namin. Hinalo ko na rin dyan. Diba? Sarap, oh.